Hey friends, today let's paint this really cute bunny from Jellycat. I think it'll be perfect for Easter. So let's get started. Okay, so first we'll do a sketch. I'm gonna take my size 6 Princeton Aqua Elite brush, but you could use anything you have. I'm gonna put it into some quinacridone magenta, and I'm going to add a little bit of olive green to my quinacridone magenta because I want to mute the color. And then we're gonna get a very dilute mix of that, and then we'll go over and paint most of her body with that mixture. So this is Quin Magenta and olive green, just a little bit to mute the color a bit. And I'm using Arches watercolor paper, and this is cold press. I want to make sure I get in like a little bit of shading around. I want to make sure I get that shape correct on her nose. But let's try to get a little bit of shading around the face. So I'm going in with a little bit more pigment from the Quin Magenta, and I'm gonna try to add some color around the edges a little bit to give it a little bit of depth and texture. I'm gonna take my nickel azo yellow and I want to dilute it. Okay, we're gonna take that and then do her ear. Now we want to do some pretty flowers. Looks like there are pinks, purples, blues, and corals. Just paint some flowers. Doesn't have to be perfect. That these flowers have little orange centers. Now let's work on some purple ones. Put in some blue flowers with some phthalo blue. Let's add in the green leaves that are attached to the flowers. Olive green. Use some opera rose. Make some pretty flowers. So that was using the Winsor & Newton Series 7 sable brush. This is a size 1. I thought it would be great, but look at this. Just blobs. It's not very good at all. Now what I'm doing is I'm going outside the lines. I'm adding another layer of water. And I'm going outside the lines so that the paint will kind of blur out the edge. And then it'll look a little more like fur. So let's follow the edge. And if you use the good paper, like Arches, that's 100% cotton, then it's a lot more forgiving when you do these techniques. Now let's do the flowers. Okay, now my paper's still a bit wet, so it's just gonna spread, but that'll create some nice blooms of color, some loose florals. Okay, now we'll add the eyes. Now you could have left it at that, but I chose to go in and try to add some more fur detail. So that's totally optional and up to you. And also depends on if you like the look or not. There we go, it's all done. Easter Bunny, Jellycat. Perfect for Easter. Thanks for watching and please subscribe and stay tuned for more paintings.